Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to discuss that how a person struggle, or there are many things. Whatever I will think, whatever I can imagine, I will definitely share through this video. So so I'm going to share you a person, and he's my uncle. So this is my uncle. So this is my uncle. His name is Ojoy Mandal. So I will not able to record for long to seeing his face, to seeing his body, because actually he's very funny in front of us. He's very funny for almost every people, but just because he behave very politely, just because he has humor, so that is why people think that he is such a mad person. There are many person who saying that the person is mad, and all and all things many people are telling. But I understand one thing: the moment when you become very friendly with anyone, the moment when you become very friendly with anyone, that is the actual moment when people think that he's not polite. He's not just he's not just polite. He has problems from their mind. So, and all in all, there are lots of people will gossip a lot. And he's struggling today, that he's struggling for food, he's struggling for work, he has problems from his body. So in this moment when he works for somebody, in this moment when he works for somebody, when he wants to give his things for somebody, then definitely what happens ki, then many people come and behave like very politely. Then many people will think, oh wow, the person is really so great. But the moment when he needs food, but the moment when he need anything, then what happened that he's not getting actually food and all those things. But but now but now when again he or somebody needs his work, then definitely somebody come in front of him and asks that, have you complete your food, have you complete your dinner and all those things. They're very polite the moment when they need something. So what's my purpose to make this video is nothing but to share an incident with many people who thinks that people behaving with them in a friendly way without having expectation. You never think, guys, that if somebody behaving very politely with you, politeness it's okay. But if somebody behaving with you um, like like behaving like they are giving something to you, they're always respecting you, and nothing is happening with you, then definitely you, if you have power, if you have money and fame, that is the actual moment when many people will come in front of you and say that wow, you are great. But the moment when you have nothing, but the moment when you struggling, that is the actual moment when you can see people what they're doing, how they're doing, how they're behaving with you. So what I think, the struggle is really very important in our life, because in our struggling phase we know about people, in our struggling phase we know about their behavior, in our struggling phase we know how we behave and all those things. But if you don't have struggle, if you don't get the opportunity of struggle, I know that nobody wants to struggle. Maybe everybody wants to get something really higher. So something higher from their perspective. Maybe somebody's higher perspective is about to purchase a Rolls Royce, or somebody think about to get a job in teaching. Somebody think about to become a bureaucrat. Somebody think about to become um, to start a startup and all those things. So 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 the thing is that when somebody is starting, many people are not observing them, many people are not thinking about them, but when somebody completed their task or somebody becomes something, then many people will think about them, that wow, the person is great or the person is hardworking. So every people has to prove their own self. So maybe this is the struggling phase of my uncle, but I don't think that uh, in this age uh, he can save himself, because nobody can save himself. So this is all about it. And I shared my thoughts, and I share my thoughts through this video or through this content, because I also have lots of wishes to do something great, to get something big, to struggle a lot. Not, yeah, we have to struggle, because this is the path. Without facing struggle, without facing lots of difficulties, I don't think that anyone can get something extreme higher. So I think I am ambitious, but I have the thought that being politeness is important. But I think, but our thoughts is sharp day by day. So our thoughts can change, no doubt in it. So the actual thing, that if maybe you are thinking, guys, or maybe my future Bhaskar is thinking, that why I'm saying this to that, not line by line, not point by point. So I didn't make anything, I didn't make any note, or I didn't decide to make a content. This moment I think that to share something, this moment I think to record something. That is why I start making, that is why I start opening my camera and try to speak in front of my camera. So this is all about it, and thank you for watching till now, till this moment. If you're watching me, it's real thank you for watching. And my future version, you have to be ready for doing something great. Bye bye, guys.